Hi friends, Sarah here from Grace in My Space. Today we're going to take a pile of dirt, transform it into a beautiful flagstone walkway, and we're going to show you how to do it every step of the way. So far we've added this metal garden edging. We're going to create a flower bed over here, and this space right here is all dirt and is serious weeds if we don't do anything to tackle that. So we're going to add the flagstone pathway to walk down towards the garden. We'll have our raised beds on this side and a flower garden on this side. So we're starting by leveling out the dirt as much as possible to create a really level surface. And we're going to compact that down, add some gravel, and then top it with our pavers. Now you can do this a couple of different ways. One way, if you're doing a solid surface patio, because ours is going to be just stepping stones, so we're going to only use chips and dust is what it's called. It's a finer gravel, but if you're going to do a solid surface patio, you're going to want to use coarse type 2 gravel first, compact that down, then you're going to want to layer it with some chips and dust or with some finer gravel. And that just gives it a really solid surface. It's going to be level, it's going to have good drainage. Alright, we've got our last scoops of gravel coming in, but you can see the difference between the dirt and the gravel. We've got about 5 inches of gravel, and then we'll compact it down. Alright, Aaron, let's give the explanation of why we rented the compactor over hand tamping.
You see how big this is? $60 is way better than me sitting here and doing this with a hand tamper for 2 days straight. That's why man-made machines.
The gravel leveled out as much as we can by hand. Now we're going to compact it down. Alright, so he took the compactor down the surface probably 5 or 6 times. Did a lot of good passes on it. As we go, we're laying out some landscape fabric, trying to avoid the mutinous weeds that we have. And we're just gonna place them as we go. They're all shaped differently, and so it'll just make a little whimsical pattern all the way down. All right, now we've got our foundation of stepping stones laid out in a pattern that feels a little bit more whimsical rather than structured. Final step is adding mulch. We gotta do it wheelbarrow by wheelbarrow full, since the tractor won't come down here.